Hey guys, we just got the new Helix V2 side markers in. These are kind of what was being requested from the beginning. This has a white LED. So let me grab the correct side for the installation that I'm doing. So it's the same as the other one, except for this is going to be a white color. So there you have it. Installation's the same. Not the same as the version 1, because the version 1 you had to take in and clip this and twist it properly. So this you have to tuck inside, back inside there, so it's secure and not going to drop down. One note is this is reversible, so you can do it both ways. Make sure it's just back there just a little bit. And the installation is just like before. This way. There you go. I think it matches. Well, it's not a perfect match, but it's pretty good. So here's another view of the new V2 side marker. We'll flip to the other side where we have the amber version still installed. There's that one. We'll put a link in the description of this product on the proper way to remove the side marker. It's always been a big problem with a lot of owners. We're just yanking and pulling the side markers out. There's actually a hole on the back side where you're supposed to press in and depress the A-clip. So we'll put that up there. All right guys, enjoy. Thanks.